Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dagny. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and all those fun little things for me. Greatly appreciate it. Today we are doing Splendies. I got a coupon code for 50% off and I've been trying Naughty Knickers and I like those. Well, I thought I'd give these ones a shot. Haven't even opened them yet. Get my trusty scissors. I always love getting new underwear. It is like so much fun. The joys of being like an adult, right? Woohoo, underwear. But it is great. And I like the fact that they came out with subscription bags for them now, because that's fun too. Ooh. Oh! I actually needed one of these. That's perfect. I didn't know they give you one of these. Did they give you one every time? Or when it's just a new subscription, I wonder. But that's awesome. I needed a laundry bag. Thank you. All right. So, other thing I see is, oh, welcome to Splendies. You just joined pretty much the best thing ever. That's cute. And then it just says follow at Splendies on Instagram and tag 2 friends for a chance to win a free year of Splendies. That would be nice. You could do that. Oh, these ones come like even wrapped up in paper. I like it. All right, let's see what these ones are like. Like I said, I like my Naughty Knickers. Those are so much fun. And I believe that one's a Canadian one. Don't quote me on that though. But Splendies, I guess if you don't know, is underwear. If you haven't caught my drift yet. And I believe it's 3 pairs a month. And I think, well, I paid about $10 because I got a $10, if I could speak today, holy. Because I got a coupon code, found one, and they had it on their site or whatever. And but I believe regular price would be like $20 to get it every month, which still isn't bad. And for 3 pairs of underwear. And they had also different selections. So there's like all thongs, mix and match, and then no thongs at all. I chose no thongs at all. If you watch my Naughty Knickers, you know I don't like the thongs. Ooh, I'm kind of excited. These are so cute too. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at these ones, you guys. I am everything blue. I love blue, navy blue, light blue, blue, green, blue. Love blue. I always have. It's been one of my favorite colors. That and hot pink. Sorry, I got an itch. But oh my God. You guys, these are so cute. Oh, I can't wait to wash these and try them. I might have to do a load of laundry just to wash these underwear. Because that's what I would totally do. But oh my God. So these are so cute. These are just regular, I don't even know what you call them. Not boy shorts. Bikini? Does it say? No. No, just my size. Which, if you're wondering, is large. I'm not ashamed. I cannot wait to try these on. I'm already like the first pair and I'm just like obsessed. So cute. Okay, let's go on to the next ones. Oh, these ones are cute too. And the next one. Oh my goodness, you guys. I was gonna try and pick between one subscription because I mean, I have so many subscription boxes and it's hard to keep up with all of them. But I might have to keep both of them now because like, look. These ones are cute too. I'm not a huge fan of purple, but this light purple I like. And dark plum purple. Oh my God. These are adorable. Well, now I'm screwed. I'm gonna have to keep both bears or both subscriptions. But look, those are so freaking cute. And then the last pair we have, which are also really adorable. I love floral things. And I love the feel of these. They're elasticy and I can't think of the name right now of what they're, it's like a silk almost, but not quite a silk. But I just, oh, I love floral patterns. That is adorable. Now I might be stuck with another underwear brand, but I mean like 6 pairs of underwear a month, I'm not complaining. And it's actually not that bad. Like I said, the Naughty Knickers is, you pay about $12 a month. And these ones will cost about $20 a month. That's not bad for 6 pairs of underwear. Oh my God, I can't wait to put these on. They're so cute. And these, oh, which ones do I want to wear first? I don't even know now. Oh my goodness, but so cute. Let me know what you think. Do you guys get these? You can see my hand in the mirror. I'm so sorry about that. I got a huge mess going on. If you follow me on Instagram, I am currently working in this room to fix the holes in the walls that they just covered up with board from the curtains over my window in front of me. I'm frustrated, but anyway, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye.